you have gone through your start update, you have gone through your judicial update, right? You have gone through the case scenario booklet also. Case scenario booklet is also there, which is also available as a publication. Case scenario booklet, that also is very relevant for you. I will say why. So the MTP attempt करने से पहले what you have to do, you have to complete your study from the study mat, from the case scenario booklet, and the start update or the judicial update. Once you have done your studies from these publications, then you take up the MTP, because mock test paper specifically are given to you to check your preparedness for the examination, and you are required to solve those MTPs in examination conditions basically. Why I'm saying examination condition? Because what is happening here, you have a lot of time, but during the while you are going to appear for the examination, you have specifically having the 3 hours time only, and you have to solve the whole paper within the 3 hours period, right? Whole paper you have to solve it. So वहाँ पे क्या होता है बच्चों को, if you are not prepared in that manner, that how you are going to appear in the examination, you will find it very difficult while you are facing the examination. For that purpose, it's strictly advisable. It's advisable to you, please attempt the mock test papers, whether it is given as an MTP booklet, or we are coming out with the MTP series also. Series 1 already being undertaken, and in the next month, series 2 is going to be placed. So for doing those mock test papers now, you please keep in mind that you should not refer any kind of publication, any kind of supporting things to solve the MTPs. You please solve it in the examination conditions only. Then only you will have confidence. It just build your confidence also that yeah, this is the things now very much clear to me, and I can definitely appear in the examination also. This purpose के लिए you do the MTP. For that I will tell you from where you will get this MTP booklet and this RTP and the judicial update statute. Let me take you to our website, right? In the institute website, if you see, there is on the institute page also, on the institute page you will find a new scheme of education and training. If you click here, it will show you this page. Here everything is given, the syllabus, study math, section wise weightages, skill wise weightages, RTP, suggested answers, case scenario booklets, question papers, last year question paper, or many other things. So what you have to do, you just go to the study material. The study material, if I am taking you to the final course study material, there are level wise study materials given. The final course, if you go in group 1 and the group 2, the direct tax laws. In the group 1, if you see model test paper of group 1 is available, group 1 and the group 2, the direct tax laws. In the group 1, if you see model test paper of group 1 is available, then the model test paper of your group 2 is also given. Model test paper are same as the mock test papers basically. So if you go to then you can just download it here, or you can I think order also from the CDS, this model test paper. It is relevant for May and November examination both, right? It is updated as per the amendments made by the Finance Number 2 Act 2024. So this is the model test paper. If you go to the paper 4 direct tax laws, you will find the judicial update. You have to download it, right? It's a 7-page document. There are three rulings are covered. If I say yes, so there are 3 rulings. Please download this judicial update also for the purpose of May examination, right? It's a Supreme Court ruling, Bank of Rajasthan. It is just for the what is the broken period time, whether that broken period interest is allowable as your revenue expenditure or not. On that aspect, it's being given, right? One of the questions also being asked based on the court case law. So how to report the cases? For that, you need to refer the judicial rulings. Even in the study mat itself, in every chapter, the significant select cases are given to you. So please kindly go through that also. They are really very, very important for you, right? So what they are saying, according to the Apex Code, is saying that interest on the broken period cannot be considered capital expenditure and will be treated as a revenue expenditure. This is the crux of the Supreme Court ruling. This is the decision. Why they are doing it? What is the rationale behind it? You have to go through why the Supreme Court is deciding in that manner, right? What is the rationale behind deciding this fact? Then another is on Idean Technologies, where it's all for development of software. Assessee has incurred some expenditure, but later on that project was not abandoned. So whether the expenditure incurred on that project is allowable as a revenue expenditure or not, it's on that. Please go through this ruling. I'm just briefing you what are these things. Whether the amount received as guarantee fee by a foreign company from its Indian subsidiary fall within the definition of interest. From these facts, actually, you can find some of the questions can be framed from these facts or given to you, or it can be from the case laws which are covered in your study math. Apart from this is the judicial update. If you see, then there is the study material. Other than that, if I'm saying from where you can get the start update. The start update are given as a part of your RTP, revisionary test paper. For May 25, the earlier attempts RTP, actually we do not advise because they are not updated as per the latest amendments. In case if you want to refer, then please keep in mind the amendments basically which are made by the Finance Number 2 Act or the notification circulars. So the latest RTP only we will be advising you to refer the latest RTPs. If you, I will take you, the start update is given. Actually, if you see, the study material contains the notification circular which are issued up to 31st of October, but to the manner of assessment. What are the manner of assessment? Everybody must be aware of what are the manner of your assessment. All papers of final level or its intermediate level. If I say all